So today, we're going to be talking about my aunt comes through the McDonald's drive-through. That's where I work, and she asked me if I want to come over. Haven't talked to her in forever, but she used the correct pronouns, correct name. So I'm like, okay. I said yes, fine, I'll come over because my grandma has cancer, and I was like, you know what, I gotta see her because I did not get to see my grandpa. Not related to that grandma. It's a different whole thing. But I love that grandpa. That grandpa was my whole life. I loved him. Died in 2016. Rest in peace. Grandpa, love him. I got my last name actually from him. I took his last name because I love him. But I said, yes, obviously, I'll go. And I went, and she said, your adopted dad might be there. I said, fine, cool, because I'm going to be mature. Yes, I get to talk online because when I was a kid, they treated me like crap. They're transphobic. They did not support me. Maybe now they might. I don't know how they are now. It's been 5 years since I saw them. And since I lived with them, 5 years since I lived with them. So things might change, but obviously, the past, that sticks with me. I'm usually forgive and forget kind of guy, but that does stick with me when I had no support back in the day from my own parents because I'm trans. It's not a big deal. But I went there, and what the moral of the story is at the end, my aunt said, I want to have a big gathering with the whole family. We got a big family. But your adopted dad doesn't want some people to come because they talk smack on the internet. And I agree with her just because I'm there. But, to be completely honest, I'm not going to lie. To be completely honest, we deserve to be able to talk smack. They have different reasons. I'm not going to talk for them. They got different reasons. But my reason is I'm transgender, and he did not support me one bit. He treated me like complete shit. I cried every single night in my room just to have his support. I love that guy. He was my dad. I loved him. I looked up to him. I wanted to be him someday. Be just an awesome guy. But it turns out he's not an awesome guy. He's transphobic as crap. I want to be the complete opposite of him now. But I'm gonna talk to him smack. I got treated like horrible for 18 years of my life. Yeah, and that's pretty much what I'm gonna say. I totally understand that he might be a nice guy to other people, but to me, he treated me like crap, and I'm finally able to talk about it. I've been quiet for 18 years of my life. I'm 22 years old now, and I'm finally able to talk about it. And it hurt, I love that guy. He was my dad, I've been adopted. He adopted me, and I love that guy, but it's so funny how just that one thing clicked from him being the best dad in the frickin' world to just doesn't support me being trans, and then boom, I cry and every single night be like, please support me, please support me. Finally, when I was 18, I was able to leave. And I don't know, I don't know.